Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to republish your existing blog post on Medium in 2025. This is without any hurting to the SEO or breaking any platform's rule, and this is the right way of doing it. So make sure that you stick around till the end of this video for a tip on getting more visibility after you publish your story on Medium. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come on medium.com and then log in into your account. Over here, click on this right option in the top right hand corner of the screen and you can start writing your story. But no, we want to republish our story. So you need to open a new tab and open your own website or the blog, and then open your article which you want to republish over here. First of all, copy the title and paste it in the titles section. Then in the tell a story tab, you need to copy the body of your blog and paste it over here. Now, if your blog post has any content or images or videos, you need to just copy and paste it exactly over here. But do not click on this publish option in the top right hand corner yet. Now, instead of pasting manually, you can go back to medium.com and visit this URL, which is medium.com/p/import. You can just paste the URL of your original blog post over here and click on the import option. This way, Medium will automatically import your content with a canonical link which tells the search engines that your original blog is the source, so there is no duplicate content penalty. So after importing, you can basically edit the title and spacing, update the intro and the conclusion, but keep the core content the same. Now, if you click on this publish option in the top right hand corner of the screen, make sure that you add the tags to help Medium recommend your post. Now click on the publish now option here and you can share your Medium link with your audience to boost the traffic. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.